This 2007 Freightliner M2 bucket is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. One owner, large fleet, return, tandem, AXLE 60FT. All-Tech. Call for more info. Largest commercial truck dealer in the Southeast. 100% financing on all vehicles. WAC, best price and selection guaranteed. JWTRUCKSALES since 1997, family owned and operated. Come give us a try and see what it's like to do business the right way. We ship all over the United States and Canada, so feel free to call us for a shipping quote. We can beat everyone and amp number 039's prices on shipping. One owner, large fleet, return, tandem, AXLE 60FT. All-Tech. Call for more info. Visit us at jwtrucksales.com.